Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to establish a successful online presence: choosing the best domain and hosting for your website. I'm excited to guide you through this comprehensive guide, but before we begin, I'd like to ask you to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you never miss any of our future videos. We're here to provide you with valuable insights and tips to help you navigate the world of web hosting and make informed decisions. Now let's jump right into the video. When it comes to building a website, selecting the right domain and hosting is crucial. It's like choosing the perfect location and foundation for your online presence. Let's start by understanding your website's needs. Step 1. Understand your website's needs. Before you embark on your domain and hosting journey, take a moment to define the purpose and objectives of your website. Are you planning to start a blog, an e-commerce store, or showcase your portfolio? Consider the expected traffic volume and the specific features you require. Step 2. Research domain registrars. Once you have a clear vision of your website, it's time to find a reliable domain registrar. Look for companies that offer a wide range of domain extensions, competitive pricing, and user-friendly management tools. Don't forget to check if they provide domain privacy protection to safeguard your personal information. Step 3. Evaluate hosting requirements. Now let's focus on the hosting aspect. Consider the type of hosting that suits your website's needs. Shared hosting is a cost-effective option for beginners, while VPS hosting offers more resources and flexibility. If you're expecting high traffic or need maximum control, dedicated hosting might be the best fit. Step 4. Assess performance and reliability. When it comes to performance and reliability, you want your website to be fast and accessible. Look for hosting providers with a solid reputation for high uptime and fast server speeds. Check if they offer content delivery networks, CDNs, to ensure your website loads quickly worldwide. Step 5. Scalability options. As your website grows, you'll want a hosting provider that allows for easy scalability. Ensure that the provider offers options to upgrade or downgrade your hosting plan as your needs evolve. Flexibility with resources like storage and bandwidth is essential for accommodating increased traffic. Step 6. Security features. Website security should never be compromised. Choose a hosting provider that prioritizes security. Look for features like SSL certificates to enable secure connections, firewalls, malware scanning, and regular backups. Protecting your website and user data is of utmost importance. Step 7. Customer support. When technical issues arise, responsive and reliable customer support becomes invaluable. Look for hosting providers that offer 24/7 customer support through various channels like live chat, phone, or email. Having knowledgeable support at your fingertips can save you time and frustration. Step 8. Pricing and value. We all love a good deal, but it's essential to assess the pricing and value of hosting providers. Compare their pricing structures, features, and additional services included in each plan. Don't forget to consider long-term costs, renewal fees, and the overall value you'll be getting for your website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We have plenty more informative content coming your way to help you succeed online. Stay connected with us on social media for updates, additional tips, and behind-the-scenes content. You'll find our social media handles in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate your support and look forward to helping you navigate the exciting world of domains and hosting. Until next time, happy website building!